Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can transcribe your videos in CapCut PC. So you're going to select right click and then you're going to select transcript. It is a pro feature and it's going to basically analyze everything in the video. Also, it does take quite a long time if your video is a little bit longer, so keep that in mind. So, as you can see, it will transcribe it, and you can also like remove filler words and stuff like that. Then you're going to select delete. Obviously this is a pro feature, so I can't do that. You can also create it, make the like audio and stuff inside of the compound clip. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.